Coming real, it's the next episode.
Hollywood Esquio Station. You want me to cut this board?
We can cut that.
You good?
Yeah.
Pretty that heavy. Pretty that heavy.
We don't want this professional cutting. So what we're doing that was the top and bottom.
Now here's one of the sides. Going to take a piece of this 3/4 plywood right here that's not very good, but it's perfect for what we're using it for.
Yeah.
I'm going to rip it to 2.5.
Why not?
And that was perfectly executed because I haven't had any crack today. Smoking crack enough tables.
Yeah, do not use a table sponge. That was successfully done because I didn't smoke crack.
I don't use crack.
Oh my gosh. Shoot.
All right, now what we're going to do is take our piece that we just cut, and we're going to cut some bottom cleats to just bump up that bottom shelf of the cabinet up a little bit, because we're going to add a little small decorative type of base when we're all done with it. So. Yeah. Maybe 3 cuts. There we go. Now we're ready to do a little bit of assembly. Are we rolling?
Yep.
Alright, so now we're going to start a little bit of assembly here.
A little bit.
A little bit. We got our cleats going on the bottom.
That we just chopped on the miter saw.
Yep, so we're just going to flush them with the bottom and put them in with some pins and some screws. So I'll use my thumb here to flush it nice to the bottom on this side. Flush it nice to the bottom. This side. Shame on Nathan for being a
For being a loady. Well, you know, sanding is so fun because you don't get all high, and then the next thing you know, I'm drilling potholes through the freaking concrete.
It's alright. doing here is using a contractor square, making sure we have a nice square inside edge here before we pilot our holes for screws.
Pilot. Not drill, pilot.